Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix headphones not detected on your REALME GT8 Pro Dream Edition. So first, what you guys want to do if you're using USB-C headphones, then you guys can clean the charging port, because if it's dirty right here, then it can cause the connectivity issues, and we definitely do not want that. So the first thing to do is clean the charging port with a soft brush. For an example, what you guys can do next is restart the phone to refresh the entire system. So to do that, you just need to press the power button, and after that swipe up to restart the device. So now our device is being restarted, and I'll see you guys in a second after it's done. After the restart, what you guys can do is make sure that you're using an original or a certified adapter if you're using one. So if you use an adapter for USB-C to 3.5mm jack, then make sure that it's at least certified or original, because the bad ones can basically destroy themselves and they will not work as promised to you. So what you guys can do next, if you're using Bluetooth headphones, then you can turn the Bluetooth off and on. So after the restart, let's go over into the settings, and my Bluetooth is turned off right now, so I'll turn it on. Now let's turn it off after it detects some devices, and we can turn it back on and wait for it to do the same stuff. So now, if you have your headphones paired already, then you can forget them and repair them again in those exact settings. So as you guys can see, there's no sign of headphones because I did not pair them, but you guys can do it here. And if there's still some issues, then make sure to charge the headphones fully, because I've had a situation once where my headphones were at 60 or 70% and my case was at 50. But the case doesn't matter here, the headphones do. You need to charge it up to 100%, because when I did, then they would show up in available devices and the problem went away. So you guys can also avoid the device interference. For an example, if these exact headphones were plugged into, not plugged, but connected into other device like your tablet or anything else, then they are connecting there and they're not connecting to your phone. So you definitely want to check that out. And as a last resort, what you guys can do is check for the software updates, because it also might be a glitch if you're not using the newest software. So go to System and Update at the bottom of the settings, go to Software Update, and it will check for updates automatically. You need Wi-Fi for it. As you guys can see, my version is up to date, but if yours isn't, then I recommend you guys updating it to keep up with the latest version of your software. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.